Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I will teach you how we can make birthday cards using Canva. So guys, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, if you see, I'm currently on canva.com. In order to use this platform, you need to log in or create an account on this canva.com using social login like Google or Facebook. And once you log in, you're going to see this dashboard page. Then, under search option over here, we need to search for birthday cards, okay, and press enter. As soon as you search for birthday cards and press enter, you are going to see all the birthday cards templates. So guys, if you see, the ones which are highlighted with this pro are the paid ones, okay. So you need to be on Canva paid plan in order to use these, but there are many free ones available also. So you can select whichever template which you like, okay. So now let's select one of those templates, okay. So let me select this one, okay. As soon as I click on it, then a pop-up will appear, and under that particular pop-up you're going to see all the pages which are there inside that particular template. And then guys, there is an option over here, print with Canva. So if you want Canva to print birthday cards for you, then you can change this particular option, okay. So that totally depend upon you, okay. But now let's click on customize this template button, okay. As soon as we click on it, then a new window will open in the browser, and the template which you had selected will be shown over here. So now let's customize this. So this is your canvas, okay, and there are multiple elements on top of this basically canvas. We have text, we have image, we have these elements of balloons, and we have more text also. We also have some background effects and all, so we can change every element on this particular canvas, okay. Now let's see how do we do that, okay. First, let's delete this particular text, okay. Eh, and I'll click on text, and let's search for some birthday, okay, font, okay. So there you go. So let me select one, okay. Just click on it and then it will be added. Okay, this is how we add, and we can either increase or decrease the size. So let's place it like this, okay. So there you go. Now let me change the color of this text. So as soon as I click on the element, see the color appears. So blue one is having separate element and the pink one is having separate element. So I've selected pink one, and the color option and other properties appear on top. So let's click on text color, and let's change the color to something more appealing, okay. So yeah, this looks much better, okay. And now let's change the color of the birthday word, okay. So I'll select something else. Yeah, red, okay. So I have changed the basically color of the text. So what we have seen till now is like how to delete the text element and how to add a new one, okay, and how we can change the color of it, okay. Also what we can do is that we can change the other properties of it, like we can give it underline, we can make it bold, italic, we can change the alignments, and we can make it like center align, left align, see, like this, okay. So now let's see how to change the image, okay. So now for that, let me delete this particular image. So I'll select the image and click on delete, okay. Now I'll go under apps, then I'll search for pixels. If you have an image of the birthday girl or birthday boy, then just drag and drop over here and you can use it over here. But show using the pixels, okay. Now I'll say Indian girl, okay. So now I'll search for Indian girl. Okay, sorry. And now I'll just drag and drop the image over here. So I'll just select the image and I'll drag it over here. That's how simple it is. So if you already have the image of the birthday girl or birthday boy, then just drag the image over here and then place it in the image container. Okay, so let's close this option. Okay, now guys, let's delete these balloons. Okay, so just select the element and click on delete. Now click on elements and under search, we'll search for birthday. Okay, press enter. Now click on graphics. So there you go. Now you're going to see different graphics related to birthday. Okay, the ones which are having pro are the Canva paid ones. Okay, you need to be on Canva paid plan to use those. But there are free ones available also. So guys, let's select this thing. Okay, so yeah, that's how we'll use it. We'll add this cake also. Let's reduce the size of it. Let's get this deleted. Let's place this cake right in the center over here, and let's increase the size little bit. Yeah, also what we'll do, we'll add these things also. So I'll delete this particular effect and I'll place this one over here. Okay, and let me reduce the size of it, and let's change the color to something white. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so we can also duplicate by just right clicking and then clicking duplicate. Okay, so what we can do is like, yeah, we'll place it like this. Okay, and then guys, let's add some more elements related to birthday. Okay, so click on graphics again and let's search for some more elements. Okay, so let's add, yeah, this thing. So let's delete this particular element and we'll place the one which we have over there on top. Okay, like this. Yeah, so yeah, but make sure that, see, now if you see the this particular confetti element which we have added, it's overlapping. So just right click on it and say layer and send back. Okay, now see, also we'll add more elements like, yeah, this okay, these things. Okay, and we'll make it proper and we'll place it somewhere here. Okay guys, and let's drag this little bit this side, and there we go. Also we'll change this thing to, I'll say, kajal, uh Nike. Okay, so this is how we can basically design birthday cards using Canva, and that's super easy and fun to do. Guys, you know, download, just click on share and then click on download and download the image in PNG format only and click on download option. And then you can share it via WhatsApp or you can get it printed by the local printers available at your nearby place. Okay, so guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how we can design birthday cards using Canva. Please go ahead and smash the subscribe button down. Also, feel free to basically share our videos with your friends and family members. Thank you.